Hey everyone, it's Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got some Dollar Tree DIYs for you, and we're going to do a little bit of a lemon theme, so I'm very excited. So this is a pizza pan tray from the Dollar Tree. At one point I painted it black and never did anything with it, so I went ahead and spray painted this white. Now I'm just estimating I'm trying to measure and find the center, but I use this little jar of paint and just trace around it, and I'm getting a center here. What we're going to be doing is we're going to make the pizza pan look like a lemon, and it's going to be, I guess, a pizza pan wreath. So I know I'm using a yellow pencil here, so it's a little difficult to see. So I'll try to do my best to explain this. All right, so we're going to draw a circle, and it's going to be about, I'd say, close to a ½ an inch away from the rim there, all the way around the pizza pan. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's homemade, and lemons aren't perfect, so, you know. And then what we're going to do is from the circle, the outside of the circle, and I know, again, I apologize, it is tough to see here, but we're just going to make those little wedges that you see on a lemon slice. So I'll let you kind of watch this. You'll see I'll make some wedges, and then once I start painting it, I think you'll be able to see it a little bit better. So this video, I am part of a collab with 3 good crafty friends of mine, and we will be talking about that in just a moment. I'd also like to welcome you to my channel, and if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I love doing all kinds of things, DIYs, and I like different styles. So I definitely like rustic and farmhouse, shabby chic. I really love doing thrift flips, and I've got some coming up for you. So yeah, if you like that sort of thing, I would definitely invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. We just hit 6,000. Oh my goodness. What a great milestone. I am so very happy and want to thank all of you so very much. All right, so as you can see, I'm just painting. It almost looks like a flower, right? Kind of like petals. And so, yeah, let that dry. I think I did 2 coats. And then we're going to take some white paint, and this is obviously not realism painting or anything. We're just going to make some little curved, little dashes throughout each wedge to indicate that this is a lemon. And then I did lose a little bit of footage, and what that is, after I make all these dashes, I took black paint with a flat paintbrush, and I just made little black strips all the way around the outer portion, the little rim of the pizza pan. And you'll see what it looks like, but I do apologize. That clip got lost, or I don't know what happened to it. I couldn't find it. There you go. You can see, but that's all I did is I just took a brush and went dash all the way around. It was very simple. All right. So I've got these really pretty little rose flowers and some boxwood. Now, I don't have a lot of luck finding florals at Dollar Tree, so my florals are not from Dollar Tree. I do apologize. But I do know that I've seen a lot of people that get really cute stuff there. I don't know why mine doesn't. So I do apologize for that, but I tried to keep this mostly Dollar Tree. All right, so we're just going to take some wire, kind of making a swag to go at the top of this, and just form it however you think it looks good. And then I've got 2 different ribbons that I thought would look good together. One is this buffalo check, and the other one is a lemon pattern with also some buffalo check. And basically I'm just going to put the lemon one on top of the buffalo check. And I apologize, I do not show you how I make the bow because I'm not real comfortable with my technique, and I fiddle a lot, and I'm all thumbs, and it would just not be any fun to watch. So if I get better, I will start filming that process. Anyway, so when I made 3 loops, because remember I put the 2 ribbons together, so it actually makes 6 little loops up there. And that's all I did there. And I'm going to just hot glue it to the pizza pan and trim up those ends. And that, my friends, is it for this first DIY. I do go ahead and put a hanger on the back as well.
I don't need to know. Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down for someone like me. I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm.
Okay, so there it is. I just think it is so cute. Right now I have it on a wall, but I did put it on my door also, so I think I'll probably have it on my door. But I really do love it, and I hope you love it too. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a collab Dollar Tree Spring to Summer DIYs, and I am joined by Ellie from DIY From House to Home, Rustic Chicks Design, the Chic Show DIY, and of course myself. And I just really encourage you to go watch everybody's video. I'm so excited to see what everybody made. So please go support their channels. And if you're new to their channel, let them know that I sent you. All right, so this second DIY, we are just taking a couple of these little clay pots from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint them white. Now, after we paint these, the reason I'm painting them white is we're going to decoupage with a really beautiful napkin, and I wanted to make sure, because you can kind of see through the napkin a little bit, I wanted to make sure it was white underneath. So that's why I chose to paint it. Here is the napkin. Isn't it gorgeous? I did get these, not at the Dollar Tree, sorry. Couldn't find any at the Dollar Tree, but I did get them off of Amazon. All right, so we're going to take some Mod Podge and just decoupage these onto the little pots. Now, when I was doing this, I think I was holding the pot pretty close to me and so focused and not really well into frame. So I do apologize for that. But basically, I just put, I put some Mod Podge on only in like a little section, maybe like a quarter around the pot, just to kind of keep control of it. And then I didn't cut the napkin first, although you could. But what I did is I just laid the napkin on there, took my time. Sorry again that I'm out of frame, and just, gently rubbed it. And then I just continued to do that in sections all the way across. Then after I was done with that, what I did is I sanded lightly, because this is so thin, the top and the bottom, just to get a clean finish. And again, you could cut this and not have as much length on either side like I did. It was weird though, because it's not a perfect cylinder. It's like narrow and goes wider, so it's a little bit different than something that's perfectly, I guess, round or whatever. I don't even know if I'm making sense. Anyway, so yeah, I sanded the bottom, and now I'm going to go ahead and sand the top. And that was it. It was super easy. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fill this pot up with some fun little, those roses again that we used in the first DIY, and some, what did I use? I think it's boxwood, I think. I can't really remember. We'll see here in a moment. But before I do that, I did want to seal them up again on top with that Mod Podge, and I think they turned out really cute. So we're just gonna, I have these little styrofoam balls. So I just popped, I had a bigger one there that worked out really well. And then these were a little bit smaller. And I did get these from the Dollar Tree, I believe. And so we're just going to do that. And then, yeah, boxwood. I just put some boxwood in there, as well as these little yellow roses. And that's it. I didn't even put a ribbon around it or anything. I just thought that napkin was so pretty, so beautiful. And I just thought it was great on its own. So these are so cute. And you could make just one. I don't know. The set came together with 2 pots. So I'm like, well, I'm going to make 2. So they are so darling. Look at them. I really hope you like them. Oh my goodness. Just bright and cheery. So what do you think of those? Now I have a total of 4. Really, it's kind of 3 and this extra little thing. And you have to tell me which one you like best. So this is just one of those gold little trays you can get from the Dollar Tree. And all I do is we're going to paint it yellow, the maize color from Waverly. But because yellow is so translucent, I usually like to paint white first. That way you kind of get the true yellow color. So I paint it white first, and then we're going to go ahead and paint it yellow, as you can see there. Look how pretty that is. And then what I did is I took some white wax by DIY Paint Company, and I am just going to white wax this entire tray, and those little bumps along the edges, I think they just stand out and look really cute, and it gives it a nice soft look. So that is what I did with that. And so this really, I guess it's a DIY. We're going to use it at the end, but I didn't put anything else on it. This is all I did to the tray. So it's kind of a setup for the final, if you will. But yeah, that's what I did with that. Okay, all right, so this is our final DIY, and this is a house that I found at Dollar Tree. Isn't it cute? It's just cute on its own. But luckily, this little wooden heart was pretty easy to get off. You just have to warm it up, or for me, it worked by using a heat gun just to loosen that glue up, and I was able to get it off. Now, I'm not too concerned that it's not perfect in the middle there because we'll be covering that piece up anyway. All right. Super simple. Are you ready? It's really quick and simple. So we're just going to take this yellow paint, and I'm just going to paint the, what do you call that? Like the front of the roof? The awning? I don't know. Whatever. That piece right there. And then I have this lemon. We're going to get back to that in a moment, but that's going to go on the top. And I've got these 2 ribbons, a yellow that's not wired, but it still worked out, and then a black and white buffalo check that's also not wired, but I think they still worked out. I just did the normal little awareness, bow, and put it together just to make a super simple bow there. And then I'm going to use that twine and also do the same thing with the black and white. And so they're connected, and then we're just going to cut off that twine, hot glue that bow. Well, we're going to trim the edges here, I guess, the ends. But we're going to hot glue that bow over that area that wasn't perfect, where I took the heart off. And so, again, you won't even see it. So I think that worked out just fine. And, and then we are going to hot glue also that little lemon with the 2 leaves that came off of a pick that I had. This is from my stash. From last year. I have no idea where it came from or anything, but so I just found it. I thought, oh, that looks cute. There we go. So and then I took a cute little button, and we're going to just put that in the middle of our bow. Easy peasy. You want to say it, right? Yes, you do. Lemon squeezy. Oh my God, I need help. Anyway, there it is. It's so cute. I really hope you like it. And I hope that these projects inspired you. I want to show you the final reveal. Sorry, I don't have a video of it because I had issues with that. But here's a picture. And that's why I made that tray. So to put them on. So I hope you like it. Please go check everyone out on the playlist. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.